Ojula, baseball pass, side step. Oh, that's nice move. Number 14 minute beat Liz. Easy to fire. No, Ojula the bucket. Ojula, Holland. And number 7 lumipad and easy Liz. Welcome to Baliwag Inter-Barangay. It's between Poblacion versus Santo Cristo. Floater, no. Pass back to Del Pozo to the middle. Big sa tapikan. And the pass break. And the lace. Yes, it's in. First blood. A ribbon for Santo Cristo. Number 6. Dribble na tapikan. Ball stall and spinning. Goes to the middle, bounce pass inside, fires, yes sir! And slowly dribbling the ball for Team Poblacion. The pass, baseline jumper, bullseye! Del Pozo. Ball stalling. Number 14 minute beat, Liz. Easy to. Ojula. Inside pass and fire rejected. Ojula the save and the bucket. And the pass to the wings. High pass. Cross pass Garcia. Del Pozo. Fires at 3. No good. Ojula the save. To the middle and fire. No, Ojula the bucket. Ojula. Del Pozo. Now at the top. Pass it to the baseline. Inside. And the pass. And ball stolen. And number 7. Lumipad. And easy lace. And zigzagging. Attacking. Bounce pass. Baseline floater. Yes sir. For the inbound. Ojula. The pass. Inside pass, fires, rejected. And natapakan agaw, pass break. And fly, yes sir. Kicks out, open look, fires. No good. Pass break. And fires, yes, it's in. Floater. Here's Kenneth Omba. Liz, yes, it's in. Omba. Corner. Ojula. Here is Omba behind the back, between the legs, crosses over. Kicks out for 3. Short. Ojula. Baseball pass. Side step. Oh, that's nice move. To the middle, natapikan, recover. And so Ojula, book easy to. And the pass break, the save. Ojula, in basket and 1. Into the wing side, kicks out. For 3, bang! Del Pozo. No good. Pass break. And the is rejected. That's the end of Del Pozo. Corner pass. Fakes. Drive. Gas to oh, basket in 1. Ojula. Corner pass. For 3. No good. And the baseball pass. Tinignan pa yung gwadya. And easy to. Now dribbling the ball. Sisinyas dito. To the middle. Ojula. Hook shot. Yes sir. Ojula. Omba. Attacking the defense. Bump. Pinatalsik. Stolen. And to the middle. Drive to the hoops. And a bucket is good. Wings picks. Bounce pass. Floater. Off the window. Money. Backdoor inbound for Team Santo Cristo. Number 15. Number 17. Corner. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound. Ojula put back. Won't go. Rebound. Ojula one more. That's good. Ojula. And dribbling at the top. Goes to the screens. Inside pass. And the pass. And bump and fire. Basket and one. Ooh. And the long pass. For 3. No good. Pull up J. Yes. Bucket is good. To the middle. To the wings. Pass back. Floater. Yes, sir. Here's Ojula. Ojula kicks out. Open look. Fires a 3. Bang! 3 points. Omba. Omba. Step back for 3. Bang! 3 points. The pass. And pass break. Goes inside. Rejected. Recover, pull up J now. Ooh. For the inbound is Ojula. Corner, Del Pozo for 3. Bang! 3 points. Kenneth Omba straight to the hoops. Yes, sir. It's the end of corner. Kenneth Omba. Bang! 3 points. Del Pozo for Team Santo Cristo. Cross pass. Corner for 3. No. Ojula the rebound is spinning. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Ojula. And Omba. Kenneth. Ojula. Stolen. And stolen it back. Bam. Stolen back. And Flores, no good. Rejected. Behind the back. And no look pass. Del Pozo. Pass to Ojula. Ojula. E to the middle. Up and under. That's nice move. Del Pozo. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. 8-point lead for Team Santo Cristo. Here's Team Poblacion. Open look. Bang! Nothing but net. In the pass wings area. Open. Fires at 3. Bang! The answer. For the inbound. High pass. Ojula. Open look. Fires. Bang! 3 points del. Inbound. Garcia attacks, fires, no good. Omba the rebound. Behind the back. Drives inside, Liz. Yes, sir. Baseball pass. Eksakto yung pass out. Eksakto yung tira. And pass inside. Recover. Kenneth Omba. To the hoops. Bucket. Inside Ojula. Fires. Bucket. Ojula. Rejected. Reverse layup. Oh! And holds the ball. Bounce pass. He kicks out. To the wings picks. One bounce floater. Yes, sir. Omba drive. To the middle and fire. Yes, sir. End of the and here's number 12. Straight. Oh! So palpal ang inabot. And sigsaging. Spins. And stolen. And a pass. And Omba. Boom! Oh, easy to behind the back. Stolen again. Here's and scoop layup. Basket is good. Fires. No. Rebound. Bala sa poblasyon. (57-56). Kenneth Omba. 4-3. Kenneth Omba. Bucket. Tie game. Del Pozo. Spins. Look. Bam. Oh! 4-3. Bam! Wow! Mapapa-defense ngayon ang team Santo Cristo. Inside basket. Tie. And it's Kenneth Omba. Omba is stop for 3. Won't go. Fast break. And first. Liz. Easy 2. Goes to the screen. Attacks. Liz rejected. Attacks. Kicks out. Omba. Crossover. Force fire. No good. Rebound. Reverse layup. In the pass. Goes to the screen. 1-on-1. Omba against Ojula. Hook shot, no good. Rebound Ojula. Basket and 1. Ojula. Inside pass, reverse layup, no. Rebound. Ojula, hook shot. Uy. And dribbling the ball. 4-3. Bang! 3-point. Last 2 minutes. Bounce pass. Ojula. Kicks out. Floater. Easy 2. Attacks. Inside. Kinain. Congratulations. Santo Cristo.